much for the mic. I be nervous.
I feel that. I feel that.
Y'all know, I be scared. So, I don't really know what I'm going to say, so we're just going to see what comes out.
All right.
Hopefully it'll be good. We'll know.
You got this.
We'll get it together. Shut up. Sorry, kids, that's a bad word. I'll say that about this poem.
Too much.
I happen to have entitled a lesson. Been easily mistaken. Arguments consist of me telling you I'm not used to this, while you saying I need to let go of old shit and I'm stuck. Reminiscing. Wondering when will the images of you giving her all the answers to our secret questions go out of my head. I happen to ignore the warning signs, but my heartbreak will go down as a lesson in life. Number 1, don't mistake mysterious for devious. Realize he's not your man if your phone calls only occur like your bedroom conversations when he's coming. Number 2, quit selling yourself short, and I'm not talking his penis size. Number 3, wife and wife do not mean the same thing. One does twice the work, so 3 times the headache without the ring. Number 4, if he loves you, he'll put a ring on it. Number 5, referring to yourself as a bad bitch will only have you attracting dogs. Bitches get put out, women get put up. Number 6, attracting dogs. Bitches get put out, women get put up. Number 6, it's never been flattering to treat your pussy like a stray cat. Number 7, it's never been flattering to treat your pussy like a stray cat. Number 7, no, that does not mean all you bitches are queens. Some of you are court jesters and the joke is your self-esteem. Number 7, no, that doesn't mean all you bitches are queens. Some of you are court jesters and your joke is your self-esteem. Number 8, if you're looking for a good man, quit telling me how you're looking for that fly nigga. Right. Number 9,
come on,
digging for gold will only have you in ditches with dirt. Number 10, if your self-worth is based on how good your pussy is, it occurs to me that your stock options are down. I didn't know this. I didn't know you when I wrote this piece. These are just my observations. I would like you to see, and change would only make you right in the end. So I'm saying, before you love anyone, learn to be your own best friend.
True.
Don't let his heart be the beat he makes love to her with. And before you're a woman, remind yourself that you are a conqueror. I'm telling you, ladies, this is your time. And these were your warning signs.